This channel has gathered over 15,000 subscribers with only 9 videos, and it was made at the 23rd of February 2026. Here is their most viral video. Head over to Google Labs and go to the file I dropped in link in description. Copy the image prompt and paste it using the Nano Banana 2 feature. Click on Generate. Now you can see the images I have generated using this prompt, and the last one was my favorite. Now repeat the same steps for the other prompts. Just go over and copy, then paste it in the Nano Banana. If you need any other scene, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you so that you can generate the image on Google Labs. Now to create the videos we're using Grok Imagine, you just go and select the image you have generated, paste in a video prompt using ChatGPT, and I have provided the video prompts I used in this video in the description. Paste the prompt and click on Generate. Repeat the same processes for the other images to get all your videos, then we'll be editing them inside CapCut. Now, all we need to do is add the videos together. We would also do some minor adjustments in the speed and the length of the video.